Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your cloud storage with Dropbox, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your cloud storage with Dropbox, begin by signing up for an account. Visit the Dropbox website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Once your account is created, download the Dropbox application to your device. Install the application by following the on-screen prompts. Open the Dropbox app and log in using your account credentials. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Drag and drop files into the Dropbox folder on your computer. Organize your files into folders to keep everything neat and accessible. Utilize the sharing feature to collaborate with others on documents and projects. To share a file, right-click on it and select Share. Enter the email addresses of those you wish to share the file with. Adjust permission settings to control what others can do with the file. Consider upgrading to a paid plan for additional storage space if needed. Utilize the camera upload feature to automatically back up photos from your mobile device. Set up file request links to collect files from others easily. Use the paper feature to create collaborative documents within Dropbox. Regularly organize your storage by deleting unnecessary files. Check your storage quota in the account settings to manage your usage. Explore the Dropbox community forums for tips and tricks from other users. Integrate Dropbox with other applications you use for improved workflow. Set up two-factor authentication for enhanced account security. Make use of the offline access feature to access files without an internet connection. Review the version history of files to restore previous versions when needed. Stay updated on Dropbox new features through their blog or announcements. Regularly review your shared links and permissions to ensure security. By following these steps, you can maximize your cloud storage experience with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.